Welcome. My name is Mr. Carcido for history class. And so I want to welcome you to Open House 2022. And this is how you can reach me, carcido.jose@pusdi.us for any questions you might have related to the class or to your son and daughter in my class. And this is what we've done first semester starting in August. This is the syllabus. And so we've covered already, as you noticed, the Greeks and the Romans, the developments of political democracy. We studied constitutions, American, French revolutions, the British Revolution. We've done the Industrial Revolution. We've also done imperialism, the First World War, the Russian Revolution, human rights and the cost of war. And then we finished off the first semester before we went on winter break, the effects of World War I, the Great Depression, the rise of the totalitarians, fascism, and communism. And currently this semester, we started off in January with the Second World War and the causes, battles. We just finished the Iron Curtain, the Cold War, Truman Doctrine, Marshall Plan, Chinese Civil War uprisings, uprisings in Europe, nationalism. And we're currently in the last, we have about 40 days left. We're looking at nation building, the decline of empires and decolonization. And we're going to end up by next month, by May and June, well, definitely May, the integration into the world economy, technological revolutions that we're experiencing right now, cell phones, the internet, things like that. These are the grades. Very straightforward. Actually, they've changed a little bit. So everything is 25%. Classwork is 25%. It's not 1/3. Homework is 25%. Quizzes are and tests are 25%, and participation is 25%. So I'll have to change that. My apologies. So, and this is what we've gone paperless. So I update Canvas. This is where I give and receive all the assignments. And this is where I collect assignments, grade them. And once graded, there's a digital footprint there. So I know if they turn it in or not. And again, it's paperless, unless I say an assignment like we did posters and stuff like that, that required more on-hand type stuff. And then these assignments that are graded are then transferred over to Aries. Aries is the official grade book. So check Aries for your sons and daughters' grades. These are the most up-to-date. I update them once a week, usually Mondays. And so check on Monday, every Monday they're updated. And I grade once a week, all assignments, and I do receive late assignments until the very end of class. And these are some of the assignments we've done so far. How to write a document-based questioned essay, propaganda posters, Nearpod interactive lessons, Kahoots, the resource road construction company simulation where they had to create, they were a construction company, they had to create roads connecting cities. We did a lot of films and documentaries like on democracy, the French Revolution, and Napoleon. And we've done a stock market simulation and the Great Depression. So I want to welcome you. And again, this is world history, and we have a lot of stuff. We have 40 days left, and we're getting ready to go on spring break. But when we come back, we'll definitely be doing more of world history. Thank you so much for your time, and have a good night. Bye-bye.